I'm going to show you how you can increase your conversion rate with these 3 simple tricks. Let's get it. Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to go through how to increase conversion rate in 2019 as you saw in the intro. I would just like to say that you should definitely stick around to the end where I'm going to show you a bonus free hot product for today's video. But without further ado, let's get right into the content. So for the video overview, here is basically 3 simple steps that you can do to increase your conversion rate as of 2019. So first of all, we're going to go through the checkout script by Conversion Pirate. Now, I know you might have seen this before, but it's not going to be as other videos. So definitely stick around for that, where I'm going to show you a special trick that I use basically to increase my conversion rate by a ton. I do not use the default template as other people do, but I'm going to show you exactly how my script looks like. Second point is important pages. This is basically shipping information, lead pages, about us pages, and all templates for these pages are available in the download in the description. Now you can either use the link where you have to enter your email so I can send you out my videos, or you can use the one without having to enter your email. I want you to have your choice of your own. The third point is sticky cart. Now, this part is important and the app is going to be free as well. So that is also very good. Just add that to your website and it will start converting more. And fourth point is bonus free hot product. Now you want to stick around to that so you can have a product that you can get right into as of 2019. What is a checkout script? So basically Conversion Pirate made a script pretty long while ago and they have basically been the leading website in doing this. And basically it's a checkout script which looks like this, but keep in mind, this is something that I have done myself. I have edited this to fit my needs. So I replaced all the icons which you see in the bottom right corner here. And I also replaced all the text and the icon here. So this is something that you don't see on a lot of other videos. But today I'm going to show you exactly how you can edit this to look like this and why I do what I do. You should never use the default one because people have seen that script so many times and have seen those icons and exactly that text so many times. If you're targeting engaged shoppers on Facebook ads, for example, they have most likely clicked on a ad for a dropshipping store and they come to see that script. So once they ordered, they would know if the shipping basically took them 3 weeks to get there, they would know that your store is basically going to be the same. So don't be the same and edit that so it looks unique to your store. So this is basically what I did here, but there's also a secret tip which you should definitely start using today. Basically what you should do is edit the default one, which you can see on the screen right now. That is default one, and you want to edit it to this. Now, why this is so good and why it works so great for me and increase conversion rate by a lot, because you're offering a discount to the customer. They didn't even ask for it and they see that they have 10 minutes to use this discount, and that just turns them on a lot and will definitely buy a lot more. So your conversion rate will rise for sure if you implement this. Now I'm gonna leave a link to the script in below. All credits go to Conversion Pirate for this script. I'm gonna leave everything in the Google document below where you can basically copy this script and just use it on your store. But as I said, like, edit it so it fits your website. What you can do as well is just implement the script to your website, go to your checkout page and right click and download these images. Now drag that into an image editor software. That might be Photoshop, Canva or Pixlr. You want to edit that and implement an icon of your own. So you implement something that is unique to your store and that fits the criteria basically. That is what I did here. And I also edited all the text which is here and also the text which is here. What you're gonna do on this top side is we are running a flash discount today only. So it's basically a scarcity timer. You want to go to your discounts tab in your dashboard and make a discount especially for your checkout process. So this could be a flash discount or flash sale. And I like to offer a 5% off because that does not hurt my profit margins all too much. This is going to make your customer want to use this code and feel special when it's happening. So make sure you use this strategy. And I'm going to show you how the code looks and where to implement it. So you want to go to online store and preferences and scroll down to Google Analytics. Now, if you haven't implemented your Google Analytics code yet, I recommend you to do that right now. And then you'll have an option to add additional Google Analytics JavaScript. Now this is going to go to your checkout page, and here you can start editing all the text. Now once you get the code from my description, you're gonna have all this text. Now I'm gonna leave you exactly as this is, but I do recommend you to edit it to your liking and to fit your store. So what you can edit is, I'm gonna include on the screen right now, all the things that you should press Ctrl F for, so you can search on the website for specific texts, and that is basically what you can edit. So just pause the video if you couldn't really follow there. Alright, so next up is important pages, and this is one very important part of this video because important pages is something that increases your conversion rate by a lot. Now, if you don't have a frequently asked questions page or shipping information, a tracking page, returns and exchanges page, and an about us page, you are missing out and you are going to lower your conversion rate by a lot. If you include all of these pages, you will definitely increase your conversion rate, and I would definitely like to see how much your conversion rate increased for you when you implemented all this. Now in the description below, I have a link to a Google document where I have all of the templates for all of these websites, which I made myself. They are SEO optimized and are perfect for every website. So you can edit all the information on those templates and just edit it for your website. Now, don't use the ones that I sent you in the Google document. You need to edit them before you implement them. And for the frequently asked questions page, I would definitely recommend you to enter some questions of your own, which you might find fitting. Now, here's one important thing. I need you to install the app Tractor right now because it's free up to 5 orders, and after that you will basically be able to buy the next plan with the money that you earned from those 5 orders. Now this is the best tracking app on the App Store without question, and the free plan basically looks like this. Now you won't be able to see all of this below, but basically the customer can enter their order number and the email that they used and just press track. And this is also very good for dropshipping because you can say that you're using Oberlo to fulfill all your orders, so the app will adjust accordingly for that. And this is basically what it looks like when someone tracks their order. This looks professional as hell, and you will definitely be able to sell a lot more if you have a good tracking page which customers can trust. Now you want to go into your navigation tab on Shopify and basically add a new link, and that is going to be your domain, and add this after your domain basically once you installed Tractor. Just go to the link in the description below and install all my templates which I included there. All of these important pages are definitely going to increase your conversion rate, and if you don't have them, you're basically missing out. Now jumping right into the next thing is sticky cart. This is great and will definitely increase your conversion rate because it makes the checkout process a lot easier, and it also looks good. And you can also add an animation for the sticky cart which basically attracts the customer's attention to that add to cart button, and that is great for increasing conversion rate as well. Now I'm going to show you exactly how that looks. This is a test product page which I made on one of my stores just to show you exactly how that looks. When we scroll down and our main add to cart button disappears, this add to cart button on the bottom here appears, and as you can see it will bounce from time to time. And this also looks very good on mobile phones, and I'm going to show you exactly which app this is. Now this is a free app, but I think they have a paid plan. Basically it's Sticky Cart by Uplinkly. Once you install the app, you want to go into the app and untick enable automatic mode. Now automatic mode might be good for some pages, but what you want to do is make the background color the same color as your main add to cart button, and foreground color can be white. I like to use the font size 27 and padding 14, so the add to cart button sticks out a little bit more than usual. And you want to display this on both desktop and mobile, because on mobile it looks really good, and if your customers has to scroll up all the way after they've read your description to buy, it's way less likely that they're going to convert. So after they read your description, it will be a lot easier for them to check out or add the product to cart once they're finished reading your description and learning everything that they need to know about your product. You want to have this located on the bottom of your screen, but for some stores, I guess having it on the top is also very good. You also want to enable Google Analytics integration so you can track all the data that you get from people clicking on this. Very good to have, and a great app to get, and it's completely free. Now, jumping into the bonus free product, I hope you're still with me because this product is going to sell like crazy. I might even jump on this myself. So what this product is, it's a expandable pocket bag. It's very good for people who like to jog or run in the morning or afternoon, whatever. The great thing about this product, it solves a problem, because when you run and you have the tight clothes on, which doesn't include pockets, it's basically solving the problem of not having pockets, and they can basically take take with them everything that they need. It's also a very good product because a lot of people are gonna make New Year's resolutions this year coming up to 2019. And a lot of people actually start running after the New Year's. Even if it's pretty cold, it will fit very well for the spring, which is coming up next year as well. Now this product also has a video available. You just need to search for the product. It's very easy to find, and you'll be able to take that video and edit it to your liking or give it to someone on Fiverr and have them create a video ad for you. I found this product using Ecom Hunt, which is my main product scout tool, which I use to just skip on the product research phase completely because they include all the important information that you need. You can find the link for that in the description below. It is an affiliate link, so if you don't want to support me, you can just go to ecomhunt.com and you can find that there. But if you like to support me, you can definitely use the link in the description below. They have a free plan available and you can find tons of good products to sell in 2019. Alright, so I hope this video wasn't too subtle for you. If you have any questions at all, just leave them in the description below and I'll make sure to answer that as soon as possible. If you haven't watched my other videos yet, I recommend you to do that definitely. If you want more information on product research or how to start your Shopify store, you can see those on the screen right now. If you follow through to the outro, you can click on those videos without having to search for them. But without further ado, thank you a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. And I'm going to drop a ton of value like this in the future. So make sure you don't miss that out. Now also turn on notifications because that's basically how you see that I've uploaded a new video. All right, that's everything for me. I'm David Sohn and thank you for watching.